If you are a male to female, MTF, transgender woman, you may have faced some challenges and discrimination in your career journey. You may have also struggled to find a career that aligns with your identity, values, and goals. However, there are many careers that can offer you fulfillment, satisfaction, and success as an MTF woman. In this video, we will explore why career choice matters for MTF women, how to find the best career for you, some examples of high-paying and rewarding careers for MTF women, and some tips for succeeding in your chosen career. Career choice is an important aspect of life for anyone, but it can be especially significant for MTF women. Having a career that allows you to express your true self and be respected and valued can boost your self-esteem and confidence. On the other hand, having a career that forces you to hide or compromise your identity can lower your self-esteem and confidence. Having a career that matches your skills, interests, and passions can enhance your mental and physical health. On the other hand, having a career that causes you stress, boredom, or frustration can harm your mental and physical health. Having a career that gives you meaning, purpose, and joy can increase your happiness and well-being. On the other hand, having a career that makes you unhappy or dissatisfied can decrease your happiness and well-being. Having a career that pays well and offers benefits and opportunities can improve your financial and personal security. On the other hand, having a career that pays poorly or offers little or no benefits and opportunities can jeopardize your financial and personal security. Therefore, choosing a career that suits your needs and aspirations as an MTF woman can have a positive impact on your life. Finding the best career for you as an MTF woman can be a challenging but rewarding process. You may have to consider various factors, such as your skills, interests, values, goals, personality, preferences, financial and personal needs, and the availability and demand of different careers. You may also have to do some research, exploration, and experimentation to discover what careers are out there and what careers suit you best. Think about what you are good at and what you enjoy doing. You can use online tools, such as skill assessments and interest inventories, to help you identify your strengths and passions. You can also ask for feedback from your friends, family, teachers, mentors, or colleagues to get a different perspective on your skills and interests. Think about what matters to you and what you want to achieve in your career and life. You can use online tools, such as value assessments and goal-setting worksheets, to help you clarify your priorities and aspirations. You can also reflect on your personal and professional experiences and how they have shaped your values and goals. Think about what kind of work environment, culture, and style suit you best. You can use online tools, such as personality tests and work style quizzes, to help you understand your traits and tendencies. You can also consider your preferences for factors such as work hours, location, flexibility, autonomy, teamwork, leadership, challenge, creativity, and social impact. Think about how much money you need and want to make, and what kind of benefits and opportunities you need and want to have. You can use online tools, such as salary calculators and benefit comparison tools, to help you estimate your income and expenses, and compare different career options. You can also consider your personal needs, such as your health, family, hobbies, and community, and how they affect your career choices. Once you have a better idea of what you are looking for in a career, you can start researching different careers that match your criteria. You can use online tools, such as career databases and career guides, to help you learn about the nature, requirements, outlook, and prospects of different careers. You can also read career blogs and career podcasts to get insights and advice from experts and professionals in various fields. After you have narrowed down your career options, you can start exploring them in more depth and detail. You can use online tools, such as career videos and career webinars, to help you see and hear what different careers are like. You can also try career simulations and career games to help you experience and practice different careers in a virtual setting. Finally, you can start experimenting with different careers in a real-world setting. You can use online tools, such as career fairs and career networks, to help you connect and communicate with employers and professionals in different fields. You can also seek career shadowing and career mentoring opportunities to help you observe and learn from someone who is working in a career that interests you. You can also pursue career volunteering, and career internships opportunities to help you gain hands-on experience and skills in a career that interests you. By following these steps, you can find the best career for you as an MTF woman. Once you have found the best career for you as an MTF woman, you may want to succeed and excel in it. Here are some tips for succeeding in your chosen career. Having a strong network and support system can help you advance your career, learn new skills, find new opportunities, and overcome challenges. You can build your network and support system by connecting and communicating with people who share your interests, goals, and values, such as your colleagues, mentors, peers, friends, and family. You can also join and participate in various groups, communities, and organizations that are relevant to your career, such as professional associations, online forums, and social media platforms. You can also seek and offer help, advice, feedback, and referrals to your network and support system, and show your appreciation and gratitude to them. Having a mentor and a guide can help you grow your career, improve your performance, develop your potential, and achieve your goals. You can seek mentorship and guidance from someone who has more experience, knowledge, and wisdom than you in your career, such as your boss, supervisor, senior colleague, or industry expert. You can also seek mentorship and guidance from someone who has a different perspective, background, or skill set than you in your career, such as your coworker, partner, or friend. You can also be a mentor and a guide to someone who has less experience, knowledge, or wisdom than you in your career, such as your junior colleague, intern, or student. Having an updated resume and portfolio can help you showcase your skills, achievements, and potential to your current and future employers, clients, and partners. You can update your resume and portfolio by adding and highlighting your recent and relevant work experience, education, training, certifications, awards, and publications. You can also update your resume and portfolio by removing and minimizing your outdated and irrelevant work experience, education, training, certifications, awards, and publications. You can also update your resume and portfolio by using clear, concise, and professional language, format, and design, and by proofreading and editing your resume and portfolio for errors and inconsistencies. Pursuing professional development and education can help you enhance your skills, knowledge, and credentials, and keep up with the latest trends, innovations, and best practices in your career. You can pursue professional development and education by attending and completing various courses, workshops, seminars, webinars, and conferences that are related to your career, such as online courses, in-person courses, and self-paced courses. You can also pursue professional development and education by reading and watching various books, articles, blogs, podcasts, and videos that are related to your career, such as industry publications, news outlets, and influencers. You can also pursue professional development and education by practicing and applying what you learn to your work, projects, and goals, and by evaluating and reflecting on your learning outcomes and feedback. Advocating for yourself and others can help you assert your rights, needs, and interests, and promote your values, causes, and vision in your career. You can advocate for yourself and others by speaking up and expressing your opinions, ideas, and suggestions in various situations and platforms, such as meetings, presentations, emails, and social media. You can also advocate for yourself and others by negotiating and requesting for what you want and deserve in various aspects and issues, such as salary, benefits, promotions, and recognition. You can also advocate for yourself and others by supporting and empowering others who share your rights, needs, interests, values, causes, and vision in your career, such as your coworkers, clients, partners, and community. By following these tips, you can succeed and excel in your chosen career as an MTF woman. In conclusion, choosing and succeeding in a career as an MTF woman can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. However, it can also be a challenging and complex process that requires careful consideration, research, exploration, experimentation, and action. In this video, we have discussed why career choice matters for MTF women, how to find the best career for you, some examples of high-paying and rewarding careers for MTF women, and some tips for succeeding in your chosen career. We hope that this video has helped you gain some insights and inspiration for your career journey as an MTF woman.